guys, it's Jen from Holistic Essentials. I got another great product review for you today. Today we're going to be talking about another product from a company that we love called Infinite CBD, based out in Colorado. They work primarily with Isolate, CBD Isolate products, and today we're going to be reviewing their gummies, CBD Isolate gummies. These gummies have 25 milligrams of CBD isolate each, and there's 10 gummies in a pack, and they are 100% vegan. A lot of people like that. So they recently updated their packaging. Their package before was width-wise probably about half this, and then it's like you took that other half and put it behind, so it was not this thin. It was about twice as thick, half as wide, and the gummies, you still got 10 gummies in there, but the gummies were packaged in a Ziploc, basically a little Ziploc plastic baggie that was put down into the box. Most people didn't care. It kind of bothered me a little bit, though, as a retailer, because of the fact that those gummies kind of stick together. So if you had to, when you put your fingers in there to take out a gummy, you kind of had to pluck it off the other ones. It kind of stuck together a little bit. Like I said, most people didn't care. It did bother me a little bit, but I'm really excited about this new packaging because I think it's great. They did a great job, and I'm going to open it up so that you can take a look and see how they look. Opens up really easy, really nice. You look and see what we've got here. We've actually got a couple of trays. We've got a couple of trays in here. So if we go ahead and we slide these trays out, you can see we've got 2 trays, and we've got 5 gummies in each tray. Okay, minus the one that I gave to my husband last week. So. But you will get an assortment. There's no guarantee. You can't order like all lemon or all lime or whatever it is. It's assorted flavors. And they've basically got orange and then a watermelon and a lemon flavor. And then they've also got a lime flavor, like a blue raspberry and a grape. So it's really nice. Like I said, the gummies are in trays, so they're not sticking to each other. The plastic, on the tray just kind of pops off. You might have a gummy that sticks to the top of the tray like that, but so what? That's not as big of a deal, but they're easy to get to. They don't get squished. They don't get crushed. I'm guessing that they got some feedback on that. And it's a really nice portable way that you can take your CBD with you. If you're a traveler, I travel all the time out of state, so I know that I can have this in my, my laptop case, in my carry-on, in my purse, in my suitcase, and it's not going to get nabbed because, it's looks like candy, so they're just going to leave that alone. So that's no big deal. But one of the things I wanted to talk about were, again, the 25 milligrams each. So a lot of times I see on some other edibles that are out there, very low amounts of actual CBD in a given per piece gummy. For example, you might have a gummy that's got 5 milligrams of CBD or a gummy that's got 7 milligrams of CBD. And that may work for a lot of people, but, there's a lot of people out there that are, taking products like this for, things like chronic pain and chronic anxiety, and having a dose like that, a lower dose like that, isn't really helping them all that much, especially since it's going through their digestive tract. So a lot of product could be getting filtered out through kidneys and liver and whatnot. So I love the fact that it's a nice, accurate dose every single time. Lab results are out there and available. We can make them available to you if you're interested in them. We carry these on our site. This is one of our best sellers. People absolutely love these. They loved them before. They loved them before the new packaging, but now they love them even more. So yeah, this is one of our best sellers. We offer these for $19.99. So, if you're interested, go out, hit up our website, give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We got a ton of product, building our inventory. We got a ton of product that we need to do reviews on that we've been testing for you. So go ahead and give us a like, hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, ask us any questions that you might have, and have yourself a great day. See you guys.